Hello, my name is Scott Mortensen. I am the truck and transport service technician here at NBCC Woodstock, New Brunswick. This is a 1 year program, pre-employment program at NBCC Woodstock. You have, after completion of the successful candidate, the 1 year program, you are eligible to write Block 1. This program is a blended delivery program, so we do blended delivery by doing virtual and also in-house. We have a portion of it in-house, and also this program is sort of unique at NBCC Woodstock because we also provide a portion of our instruction at actual job hosts. So part of your practicum part of your practicum will be at job hosts, and you are a week on, so you will be going to a job host for a week, and then you will be doing in class for a week, virtual in class for a week. And you can we use or this program here uses dealerships, fleet facilities, private facilities, so you're actually able to work shoulder to shoulder, hand in hand with individuals that are already in the field. And I feel that this gives the technician, the student, a very good hands-on learning ability to create the actual environment that you see it hand in hand. So yeah, if you want to learn more, or if you'd like to know more about the program here at NBCC Woodstock, please reach out to the recruitment advisor and maybe book a one-on-one. And if I can help in any way, please feel free. The recruitment advisor will reach out to me, and we can talk more about the program. Hope to see you, and feel free to get yourself enrolled in NBCC. Thank you.